Hello friends. Today I will share with you top 5 best mini scuba tanks for underwater exploration. So let's check it out. Product listed as price, review rating. At number 5. QDWETS 1L Diving Tank Equipment. This QDWETS 1L diving tank kit includes a refill adapter and high-pressure air pump, providing 15 to 20 minutes of air for underwater exploration. It's perfect for recreational diving and easy portability. The advantages of this mini scuba tank are high-pressure air pump included, refill adapter for convenient air refills, provides a longer air supply compared to smaller tanks. The disadvantages of this mini scuba tank are heavier than smaller tanks, requires a refill station for use. Please note that the information can be changed at any time. At number 4. QDWETS 1L Mini Scuba Diving Tank. The QDWETS 1L Mini Scuba Tank is a portable diving kit with a refillable oxygen cylinder, designed for underwater breathing. It has a larger capacity for longer underwater sessions and is easily transportable for outdoor adventures. The advantages of this mini scuba tank are 1L capacity offers extended underwater time, refillable design for multiple uses, portable and lightweight for easy transport. The disadvantages of this mini scuba tank are requires a refill adapter, bulky compared to smaller tanks. At number 3. 0.5L Mini Scuba Tank Diving Equipment. This 0.5L Mini Scuba Tank provides 5 to 10 minutes of air supply for underwater exploration. It's a portable solution for recreational diving and shallow dives, offering a reliable breathing apparatus in a compact form. The advantages of this mini scuba tank are simple to use for beginners, lightweight and easy to transport, refillable for multiple uses. The disadvantages of this mini scuba tank are short air time, not for advanced diving activities. Please consider to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get more videos. At number 2. SMACO Mini Scuba Tank with Snorkel Mask 0.5L. This SMACO Mini Scuba Tank comes with a 0.5L oxygen cylinder and full-face snorkel mask. Designed for portability, it's perfect for shallow underwater exploration and snorkeling adventures with up to 10 minutes of air supply. The advantages of this mini scuba tank are easy to refill and maintain, full-face mask for comfort and visibility, lightweight and travel-friendly. The disadvantages of this mini scuba tank are short air supply duration, limited depth suitability. At number 1. 0.5L Mini Scuba Diving Tank Diving Mask Snorkel. A lightweight and portable 0.5L scuba tank with a diving mask and snorkel, designed for snorkeling and underwater adventures. Ideal for outdoor use, it provides a compact solution for short underwater explorations. The advantages of this mini scuba tank are compact and easy to carry. Includes a snorkel and mask for a complete diving set. Suitable for short, shallow dives. The disadvantages of this mini scuba tank are limited air capacity, not suitable for deep dives.